Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now today's tip is a vocabulary term, and the term is escheat, and you'll see that here on the screen. So essentially escheat happens when you die intestate. Intestate means you've died without a will, and you have no heirs. So if you die without a will, the term for that is intestate, and you have no heirs, your stuff will escheat to the state. That means the state's going to take your stuff after a 5-year waiting period. Now, during these 5 years, the property is owned and managed by the probate court while they attempt to look for heirs. So simply put, for the exam, if the test were to ask you the reverting of property to the state after 5 years due to no will and no heirs, that's a concept known as escheat. Another thing that's really important to remember about escheat is that this term is specific to the state. It does not escheat to the federal government. It does not escheat to the city or county. Escheat goes to the state.